Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be microwaving some beauty blenders in our mother's microwaves because why not? I'm sorry, mom. There's going to be some vinegar involved, there's going to be some dish soap involved, and we're going to be cutting some up because content creation, guys. Just give me a like down in the like button below. That's not a phrase. Anyway, just give me a like for the sake of quantity content that is being created here. Let YouTube know that I am so dedicated that I'm going to be cutting up my beauty blender. But anyway, if you do a quick YouTube search on microwaving beauty blenders, you'll see that this trend has been trending. Is that a word? Trending for quite a while. Yeah. So this started up, I think it was a girl on Twitter that put up a tweet and said she microwaved her beauty blenders and they were squeaky clean in the end. And obviously a lot of content creators have been doing a lot of videos on it. I wanted to test out this theory. I only watched one YouTube video review on microwaving beauty blenders because I did not want to be influenced in any way and wanted to do it in the way that I would have done it had I just heard that you can microwave beauty blenders without any further information. So obviously what you'll need is some dirty booty blenders. Please don't ask me why my beauty blenders are so dirty. Life. We're going through a pandemic. Do I need a reason? No, I don't. So what I did was I boiled some water. This was not one of the steps in the YouTube video that I watched, but I figured if we're going to be putting beauty blenders into a microwave, isn't the effect of the beauty blenders being clean as a result of the water being hot? I don't know. But anyway, you can obviously choose your microwavable dish according to how many beauty blenders you have to clean. This airplane is interrupting my voiceover. But anyway, in the YouTube video that I watched, they obviously used Dawn dish soap, which we don't have here in the south of the continent of Africa. So I used some Sunlight liquid. And I mean, what's better than Sunlight liquid? Have you seen the adverts for Sunlight liquid? All you need is like 1 teaspoon for a dish full of dishes. That's not a phrase. But anyway, I used some Sunlight liquid, a bit too much. And I also used some white spirit vinegar. Was this a recommendation in the YouTube video that I watched? Absolutely not. But to me, vinegar. Vinegar is equal to cleanliness. So I decided to add, as you can see, a non-measured amount of vinegar into my dish soap and just kind of swirled that around and threw my beauty blenders in because, it's that simple, really. It is. I threw them in, and as you can see, as you throw them in, they start to float, which to me kind of seemed counterproductive, counterclockwise. Okay. So in order for them to absorb the dish soap and the vinegar, I just used my tablespoon to help them absorb that water. I obviously would not encourage you to use your hands because this is still scalding hot water. I was very impressed by the fact that that water looks a bit murky before you even put the dish into the microwave. So I was like, oh, okay, bet. This is gonna be cool. We're gonna do this. I ended up microwaving the beauty blenders for a minute. Why? Because that's just the number I chose. There's no science to this, okay? So don't even trip, don't even worry. Your beauty blends are not going to explode if you put them in for more than a minute. But I felt like a minute in the microwave seemed like a good amount of time. And then that's what my beauty blenders looked like right after I put them in the microwave. So yeah, a little anticlimactic. I expected them to be as squeaky clean as the YouTube videos claimed they would be, or the thumbnails at least, because remember, I only watched one video. But I'm really happy though that the water is murky, so there's at least some cleaning happening. But yeah, I wasn't too happy with the first round of microwavation, so I decided to go for a second round because hey, why not, right? Why not? Quality content being served here. We don't give up here ever. And you know this by now. If you're new to my channel, subscribe because clearly this is a channel where we do not give up. So I decided to put in some more Sunlight liquid dishwashing soap into the microwavable bowl. And then I put in some vinegar, went back in and microwaved the beauty blenders again for a minute. And yeah, that's that's what my beauty blenders look like. The black ones you're seeing here are from Sorbet, and I would say the black ones were actually the cleanest in my opinion. Not because they're black and you can't necessarily see the stains, no, but because I think it is because they're different quality. And also it depends on whether your beauty blender is dirty or stained. So my final thoughts would be, does this work? Yes, absolutely it does, because from the murky water you saw it definitely works. But if you see here, when I cut my beauty blender, you can see that some of the stains run really deep into the beauty blender, which is why I cut it, just to kind of see how deep the stains go and how deep they run into the beauty blender. So if your beauty blender is dirty, I would definitely recommend trying this out. It's not going to hurt your beauty blenders in any way. The quality didn't change. They were still, the same way as before I microwaved them. But if your beauty blenders are stained to the point where the dirt that we're talking about has now seeped into the middle of the beauty blender, then this is not going to do anything for them other than just disinfect the beauty blenders. So conclusion, if you have dirty beauty blenders, suggest trying this. If your beauty blenders are to the point where they're stained, girl, throw them away. Throw the whole thing away, girl. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new around here for more content. Don't forget to comment down below if you do try this out. I will see you guys in another video. Bye.